Break a leg. Break a leg is a way of wishing someone good luck, especially before a performance, competition, speech, interview, or other important event. Let's look at some example sentences. Break a leg. I know you will give an amazing performance tonight. I know you are nervous about the keynote speech, but you have practiced for weeks. Go out there and break a leg. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. You are completely qualified for the position, so go in there and do your absolute best on the job interview. You are completely qualified for the position, so go in there and break a leg on your job interview. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.